In the currency quadrant, British pound, a fairly interesting story. Even though it was a fairly tight range for the pound futures, 129.92 up to about 130.66, settling about 130.46, which is only up about 12 basis points. But we're looking at Theresa May surviving a challenge. She survived an attempt to change the rules on challenging for the party leadership, what it would essentially mean a new lead negotiator in Brexit and a new prime minister. She survived that challenge and again reiterated that she will stay through the Brexit process and then resign. Again, that gave a tiny bid off the lows to the British pound because it takes away just a bit of uncertainty. Heavy data day tomorrow for the UK with the GDP due. They've also got industrial production, but that year-over-year GDP is expected to come out about 0.2 better than the last reading at 1.8. That would be a big sell-off to the British pound, at least theoretically would be a big sell-off for the British pound if it came in much lower than the expectation, because they've been slowly climbing up, slowly showing some strength on their data, their economic data. And Carney left rates unchanged, talked about leaving everything unchanged, looking for that Brexit process to get to the end game. And if it doesn't get to the end game and the economic data continues to improve, it'll still be pretty decent for the pound. So watch for that whole dearth of data you're going to see overnight, which again includes GDP, industrial production, year over year, month over month GDP, etc. It's a big, big day for the UK in terms of data. And then obviously you always have to look at the dollar's second largest weighting in the dollar index is the sterling. It's pretty close to the yen. They go back and forth depending on the actual price weighting, but the dollar fell most in a week. So that kept a little bit of a floor under the British pound for at least today. Again, it was a very low volume day, only up about 12 basis points, but still a decent performance when you compare it to the other majors.